All the outgoing officers here. All the outgoing officers here. These names are the incoming officers. Starting from the commander. Already, he has taken the flag already. So, Elijah Taylor as the commander. Emmanuel Kwam as the second commander. Right. Blessing Wilson as the adjutant. Hand over to them. Okay. Now, these are our incoming officers. Now, they are the officers now. They are the current officers. So if you see them around, respect them a lot. They are part of the school SRC. They are part of the school prefect. So if you see them, respect them. Give them the maximum respect. Then you can go back to the tickets.
That's your problem.
As the adjutant. Jojo McCovin as the CSA. Amajin Fua as the senior ensign. Amanda Sugwima as the junior ensign. Angeli Ernest Obi Asanchinyo. Back. followed by Elizabeth Opo. Followed by Barrier 2, Suleiman as the adjutant, cadet and officer. Followed by Emmanuel Mesa as the junior ensign, cadet and officer.
Emmanuel now coming sound.
Venice Mami Yeboah as the cadet and officer. Christodia
Dennis Invida.
Kunsi as the RSF. Followed by Edwin Wood as the commanding officer.
Christodia Kunsi.
That's the in charge of the cadet.
The conversation when I visited you the last time, and I'm sure you remember the conversation we had. Do you remember? You remember the conversation? Good. And I'm impressed with the, I would say, the courage that I saw after the conversation, because I have a witness in my house, so I saw that there was massive improvement in the way you tackle your studies. So well done. But more importantly, um, more importantly, you have the bigger tasks ahead of you in the coming weeks. So I'm hoping that you are prepared for what is coming. I'm not sure you should be panicking if you are prepared. I know exams comes with a lot of nostalgic, but I know your teachers have done a good job with your intervention classes, your examiners sessions with you. So I know you are ready. Please go and make us proud. Go and make us proud. I know you will make us proud. So go and make us proud. Please go and make us proud. Like I told you the last time, if you pass the exam, you take it home. It's you. If you pass the exams, it's you. You've done something good to yourself, and you've given yourself enough foundation to progress with your academic life. So take this seriously. There's a few weeks, some days left. Still go on to revise your notes. Take your contacts with your teachers seriously, and I know that come when the results are released, we'll all be happy, and we'll know that this is the batch that did Goldfields School Complex very, very proud. To my parents, I'm sure today we're on you. Let's help the school. I mean, the school needs your help. So please, whatever we can do to support the school, let's do that. Um, we have the municipal director of education here. We've had a tete-a-tete, and he's in support that parents should give their mind to support these students and the school to progress. Once you've given birth to your ward, then there's some responsibility on you to assist your ward and the school to be able to success. So please, let's do our bit to support the school complex. But to everyone that has been here, this has been a very successful program. Cadet, I'm happy with your performance. Thank you very much. To the other students, thank you for your participation. And I hope that come next year, we'll be smiling and saying that the last graduation was a success. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.
Now, shall we receive the vote of thanks from Master Adrian Otubuat and also the school prefect of Goldfields, Papa Goldfields JHS.
Amen.
Mr. Chairman, the Municipal Director of Education, the SMC Chairman, their teachers, parents, and dear students, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am very honored to deliver the vote of thanks for this occasion. First and foremost, we thank God Almighty for giving us a fair weather. To Him alone be the glory. Mr. Chairman, you have a hectic schedule, but you left it all because of the love you have for the school. We appreciate your presence here. To the Municipal Director of Education, Takwa Goldfields Schools Complex would like to register their appreciation to you for coming. Please accept our profound gratitude. Parents, teachers, distinguished guests, Goldfields Schools Complex is indeed thankful to you all. If you should hear the cock crow tomorrow morning, then it is the headmaster, the teachers, and the students' body saying, "Thank you from the depths of our hearts." Ayuko.
Thank you, Mr. Adrian Otubuaten. Please, you can catch this program live on the YouTube channel, Apodos Multimedia. Thank you. We now invite the cadets to seek permission to march off.
Program, and God proved Himself to be faithful by letting this program to be successful. So we call upon Master Francis Tando, also my mathematics teacher, to lead us in the closing prayer.
Thank you very much, Madam MC. Shall we please all rise up as we take our closing prayer?
Your grace.